A forgotten shack waits quietly beside the endless ocean. Experts arrive to study the fragile structure and its surroundings. Every broken beam reveals years of neglect and decay. Plans are marked where the future will soon rise. Heavy machines arrive to erase the past. The first wall falls, beginning the transformation. Rusty metal and wood collapse under powerful machines. The old shack disappears, leaving only open sand. Empty ground now holds the promise of something extraordinary. The earth is carved to support a new foundation. Layers of gravel prepare the ground for strength. Steel reinforcement forms the skeleton beneath the surface. Concrete pours, creating the base of the future mansion. The foundation takes shape under careful craftsmanship. Steel columns rise proudly from the hardened base. Massive beams connect, forming the mansion's framework. A second level emerges above the ocean horizon. The skeletal structure expands toward a grand design. Ocean-facing terraces begin shaping the luxury vision. Roof trusses lift high, completing the upper structure. Architectural frames prepare the walls for glass. Sleek window frames define the mansion's modern style. Exterior panels begin enclosing the grand structure. Luxury stone and concrete shape the elegant facade. The modern flat roof seals the structure above. Massive glass walls open the mansion to the ocean. Sliding doors connect the interior to the sea breeze.
Easy, easy. Pushing it in now.
Glass railings frame breathtaking ocean views. Interior walls form the mansion's living spaces. Hidden electrical systems bring the house to life. Plumbing networks prepare the home for daily living. Insulation quietly protects the comfort of the house. Drywall closes the walls and defines the rooms. Luxury flooring begins transforming the interior atmosphere. Ceilings and lighting shape the home's modern elegance. Fresh paint brightens every corner of the mansion. Furniture turns the house into a living space. The the luxury kitchen becomes the heart of the home. Spa-like bathrooms introduce comfort and relaxation. The master bedroom captures stunning ocean views. Entrance path welcomes visitors to the estate. Green landscapes replace the once barren sand.
Check that depth again. It's holding
The
at 8
infinity
feet.
pool begins taking shape by the ocean.
Take another scoop off the center.
Concrete and steel form the edge of paradise. Poolside terraces invite relaxation and luxury living. Textural lights prepare the mansion for evening glow. Outdoor furniture completes the luxurious resort feel. Final touches polish every corner of the property. From a shack to a breathtaking $50 million beach mansion,